Eyes closed. Inhale deep breath. Eyes will close. Inhale deep breath. And exhale. Inhale deep breath again. And exhale. Your body is completely relaxed. Relax. Relax. All your body cells, आपके सभी body cells पूरे relaxation में है. They all are completely relaxed. 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 Inhale incoming and outgoing of breath on your nostrils. Any outside thoughts bothering you, let them pass like a cloud. They are complete illusion. These thoughts are never part of you. Now bring the observation of your breath on your forehead between your eyebrows. Incoming and outgoing of breath on your forehead between your eyebrows. महसूस करें इस वाइब्रेशन को. Feel this vibration on your forehead. This is your observation, this is your awareness, this is your pure consciousness on your forehead between your eyebrows. This pure consciousness is your reality. Now, a sensation, feel the sensation on the feet, just touching your ground. A sensational light is coming from your feet, passing from your calves, thighs, through your lower abdomen, stomach, chest, throat. And this sensation has come into your third eye, on your forehead between your eyebrows. Feel this vibration and sensation on your forehead now. This is the energy within you, divine energy which is within you. And now from this forehead, this energy is going out and is surrounding you like a vortex. This is a light coming out of your forehead, and this energy light from your forehead coming out is surrounding you like a vortex. In front of your forehead now you see is a complete screen, a divine light screen, blank screen. Go deeper and deeper into the screen. just like a theater screen, it's covered you all over. Now go into the deep past. In the screen, visualize that past of yours. Whenever that incident has occurred with you, which has created some kind of lifetime challenge, maybe of some bullying, or in the past, any limiting belief which was created through some incident. See the most childhood event of yours. And then after the series of events which happened, maybe in your school time, any severe incident in your college, school, and as you grown up, see the series of events which led to some kind of low confidence, lower self-belief in yourself. Now, in the screen, see all these events together like a pack of cards, standing each next to each other, these all events. And just now, like a pack of cards, it started falling one after the other. I declare that anything of these past events which are now falling like a pack of cards, one after the other in the series of events, I declare today that all these past events, I leave them behind. And they've all fallen down in a series already. Now visualize that one event of the past which you see as I imagine that past of yours which has really traumatized you or given you the most hurt, any one event of your life. Visualize that which still is remaining with you and not going with the past. See this image in a bigger way in the screen in front of you, that blank screen. See this event happening. Now visualize this event getting smaller and smaller in the size. ये event छोटा होता जा रहा है और size में छोटा हो रहा है. It's getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and just become a very tiny in size. And then now just see divine light blessing. It's like a rain is coming on that event. A lot of rain is happening of divine light on that event, and that event is getting vanished forever in this light, is in this rain. ये जो event था जो बहुत छोटा हो चुका था अभी vanish हो रहा है. So much rain is happening on this event. It's completely getting washed out from your memory forever. It's just getting clean and vanished forever. This event which has impacted you so much, which has impacted your confidence, your self-belief, is getting vanished within this divine light rain of the God. अभी पूरी तरह से कंप्लीट हो चुका है, खत्म हो चुका है। Now see yourself, the mirror image of yours in this blank screen. See your image getting a very small image of yours. See that, visualize your smiling face, a very small image of yours. Now this image of yours is getting bigger and bigger. See yourself smiling and strong face of yours, strong body posture, shoulders up, getting bigger and bigger in the size. Your image is getting bigger and bigger. Shoulders are broadening and strengthening. Face is glowing with confidence, with that boldness, which was somewhere left behind. It was always within you, but it was somewhere dead alive. But now it is getting bigger and bigger. That confidence is coming in you. See your image with bold shoulders, upright, straight, and getting bold in that image. And this image of yours has got quite big on that screen, larger than life. This was somewhere hidden within you, this power, this confidence, this self-belief. Now this energy and now this image of yours is walking towards you. See that it's walking towards you in the forehead. And it's getting closer and closer to you, getting much closer, and now it has entered your forehead. And now it has just entered your body. And feel this confidence within your body parts all over. That straight shoulders, upright shoulders, that confidence, that self-belief of doing anything and achieving anything in life, that success, that boldness, which is helping you to achieve all the goals in life now. You can take on anything. All the illusions from the past are already vanished. This is the new you in new 2025, the new you. I am ready to receive blessings. I am ready for all the challenges in life. Now again in your forehead, visualize the same image of yours, the larger life image, with that boldness coming again towards you. And the repetition is happening. This image is again moving forwards to your forehead. This boldness, confident look, it's just entered your forehead. And feel this confidence within your face, your shoulders, your throat, your chest, in all your body parts and body cells. This confidence, this straightness, body posture has changed. Everything is now speaking volume in your body cells. This is new you, leaving all the past baggages of behind, which were all illusions. But this is the real you. Now in your forehead, visualize future of yours in the present situation as you see your future now in all areas of your life. Health, visualize yourself, people appreciating you, you're doing wonderful in your health. People congratulating you in 2026, 2027. The journey which you started in 2025 is giving you amazing results. You're looking much younger, confident. Feel that volume, feel those people praising you. Hear those volumes, those voices in your head. And also the area of relationship, visualize those all relationships getting better and better. You are at your best. People are inviting you for lectures, seminars, inviting you to help them. You're making people's life better now because you have become a leader yourself. Visualize yourself in that leadership role. Goals which you set in 2025, in 26, 27, you're finding yourself 2 years down the line in much bigger roles. Your goals are getting achieved. In your career, you're doing like unbelievable, amazingly well. Because now this has become your new pattern of your body language, of your body, of your thoughts, of your self-belief, of your self-confidence. So in all areas of life, health, relationship, career, wealth, you have become the master of your ship. You are the captain of the ship. Feel that shift in the energy and feelings. This is your new you, the new point of view. Past limits were only your opinions, but now not the facts. वो कभी facts नहीं थे. They were just opinions. You have all the power to decide the life you want. All the power is within you. All the power is in you. Today you have realized it. And this has become your new habit for next 10 years. And after 10 years, as you visualize, you're doing amazingly well in all areas of life, in your society, in your health area, in your relationship. The true purpose of life is achieved. Satisfaction, contentment, love, happiness has become your new, and self-confidence has become your new self-belief, new belief. Inhale, deep breath. And exhale. Inhale self-confidence, success. Exhale self-confidence and success. Inhale harmony and peace. And exhale harmony and peace. All your body cells and body parts are soaked in this divine energy of self-confidence, self-belief, harmony, and peace forever. And so it is done. Now, a divine white light blessings is coming from the top of the universe, the top of your head, from the universe. On the top of your head, like a blessings. This is spreading all over your body parts, from your head to the face, throat, chest, and spreading to all your body parts. You're completely soaked in this divine energy of self-confidence, success, happiness, love, unconditional love, harmony, peace. You have become the magnet of abundance in your life now. And last time, just inhale, deep breath. And exhale. Rub your hands, and as they get warm, gently put it over your face. And you can gradually open your eyes once you massage your face.